So you want to grab a 13 millimeter. I'll put it on the extension. You don't have to. Set it right there. Okay. You can use a hand wrench. I'm just using this to make it easier. A lot of cases it breaks the bolt off easier too from the impact drive. See, just like that. And then there should be another one directly on this side, but you can even use your camera to see it like I'm doing. All right. I'm being super careful because I could have dropped this in the engine bay and it would have been terrible. Alright, probably not terrible, but once you get it off about this much, you can be able to use your fingers and take it off the rest of the way. And then you should be able to, boom, put this bad boy right up and out of there, no problem. And we can compare it to the new one. Now we don't have to, we're gonna already swap it, but we're gonna check the pins and see the difference, you know. And here's the old gasket. We'll actually replace this one with the new gasket. Easy peasy. We now have our new EGR valve installed. The connector's facing the opposite way, but it still sits on the exact same. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. This is kind of the exact same type of motor that you would get in the 3800 Impalas and Monte Carlos, what have you. This channel is based on hacks. I got 99% predominantly male audience. So guys, if you're not on this channel, you know you're missing out.